Okay, ma. So, notice that when you call me via Messenger and I always ask you, go to your Google Apps, go to your Google Apps, and you keep on saying, where's my Google Apps, where's my Google Apps? So, your Google Apps is here. Kini siya. Murag dice. Kini 9 ka buok period. This is your Google Apps. So, your Google Apps is like a closet of your Google application. So, di ba mo, naka nga, dayabri, gutong kanang, kuhan dito, kuagong asin, kuang bitsin, katapok mo na sila. So, maraming siya pariharag, inani, these are just a closet of your condiments applications, inana. So, the good thing here is mura po din siya katong mga condiments nga mong gibutang dito sa kanang kuan ma cabinet cabinet lang. So, mura po din siya kanang kuan dito condiments nga nasa cabinet. Pwede po din siya kung ma-rearrange. So, you can drag your application just like that. So, say for example you're always using Google Classroom, so you want it here, atubangan jud kaayo, so saka ba na. Then you also use Google Play, wala po diha and you also want Google Drive, so ana so Google Play, Google Classroom, so diha. And then you also like Google Photos, so saka pa na mo diha. Then you also like YouTube, ana. So you can actually rearrange it, so depende asa yung mga unang gustong makita. So, mara po na, ganahan kang asin, may butang kinaunahan, ganahan ka bitsin, ganahan ka gasukal, suka, at least. So, nabisa-unsa pa na din ha. Ana-ana, ragid na siya. Sabi mo, guru-guru yun. See? Ana ba? See, ana ma. Kita ka, chuk. See, Allah ka diha. Okay, so, that's Google Apps. Again, asa dapit ang Google Apps? Dire. Na, mulagin ka sa mong Gmail account, lukunin mo siya dire, pak! Gusto ko mo, maggawas na sila din naman. Kaya, guroy din ka. Na, see? Arrange din ka. So, that is Google Apps, ma. Okay, bye-bye.